Hi, here we have a brand new Mercedes Vito. It's a Jules Verne camper conversion, which we'll show you in a second. This is a lovely little camper van. What we installed here is a Auto Watch 695, which is a Category 2.1 Thatcham Approved alarm system. The customer required it for their insurance purposes, as it is a Thatcham Approved system. What it does, it protects all the doors, the bonnet as well, and it has interior sensor. Like so. So, all you use is the factory remote to actually lock the door, and then it arms the alarm system, and you unlock it and disarms the alarm system. So there's no further intervention by the customer to actually activate the alarm system. Very simple to use. What they can also do is actually arm the alarm system and sleep inside as well. So if anyone tries opening the doors, it will trigger the alarm system off. You'd have hoped that the noise would have woken them up anyway, them trying to break into it. But however, you could do that, and you could do that by knocking out the interior sensor. And all you have to do is lock it, and then lock it again, and you get the high-pitched sound. And basically what that's telling us that the interior sensor is now deactivated. And that's how it works. Really simple. So when you have a nice look at this, this conversion. So that's the Auto Watch 695, a Thatcham Approved alarm system fitted to this Mercedes camper van.